Now, let us learn about types of analytics. There are 4 distinct types of analytics. Descriptive, which explains what has happened, diagnostic, which states why it happened, predictive depicts what could happen, and prescriptive talks about what should happen. Here, we will learn about these types in detail, one by one. The first one on the list is descriptive analytics. This is known as the simplest class of analytics. This type of analytics allows us to break a big chunk of data into smaller pieces, chunking out relevant information from the data or brief synopsis of what has happened. Let us take an example of doing a descriptive analytics of the customer data. It includes finding answers to the following questions. How many different segments of buyers are we dealing with? Where are these buyers located? How do high-value customers differ? What are they interested in? What is the income, age, number of children, occupation, and regional breakdown of these buyers? The next type is diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics is the best option to go for if you want to dig deeper into the data you have collected and have a better understanding of why things happen. Let us now learn about another type, which is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is another option available to us to condense data. It uses different statistical data modeling and data mining techniques to study the latest and past trends, thereby allowing business analysts and data scientists to make predictions. Here's an example of doing predictive analytics for a marketing campaign. It will look for answers to the following questions. Who will respond to this campaign, for what product and through which channel? What are the potential values of each customer and prospect? Who will stop the subscription of the services, and when would that happen? The last one on the list is prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics is the last phase of business analytics and is related to both descriptive and predictive analytics. While descriptive analytics provide information about what has happened and predictive analytics helps to forecast what might happen, which is probabilistic in nature. Prescriptive analytics optimizes decision-making by determining the best solution available amongst various choices, given the business constraints.